we're going to be doing, let's see, we're going to be doing this ribbon here. We're going to be doing a red, and this red has a glittered edge to it. Okay, this is actually a just a blue and white stripe. I keep this in stock all the time because I do a lot of farmhouse. So if you can find this and you can find it reasonable, this ribbon right here is great for farmhouse. This is great for a beach theme, and this is great for 4th of July. A lot of people use the red and white stripe. I do too, but I do dearly love the blue and white stripe to go along with it. Something a little unconventional. We're also going to be using, again, another 1.5 inch ribbon, and this has the navy, the red, and the tan or burlap color. And I thought this would be a different combination, but it's going to turn out really nice. So we're going to start out with using the 2.5 inch. And we're going to be just doing a 2-1, 2-1. That means 2 loops, 1 loop, 2 loops, 1 loop. But, let me cut this a little straighter here. But we're not going to be doing the long conventional ribbon tails. So, let's do, here's our measurement. Just come out to the 8. Let's put this in, and then we're going to do a half twist. Okay? We're going to put the ribbon out this way. The tail out that way, I guess. And now I'm going to do, let's do just a 5 here. Half twist. Okay. And I'm going to bring this loop this way, away from me. Then I'm going to do another loop out to the 5. And then I'm just going to, wait, no. We're going to do a 2-1, 2-1. Then we're going to twist. See, I'm telling you, I'm going crazy. Bring it out here. Keep them fluffed up. We're going to do another loop, 5. And you might already notice that this one, the spacing in between the two are a little wider. And I have to, actually on this one, I have glued my dowels in. Okay. So we've got a ribbon this way, one here, and now we're going to pull this one out, and we're going to make it about 8 inches. And I made it a little bit longer than 8, but that's okay. We'll just cut it off. I love this ribbon. I think it just stands out. And this one I got at Old Time Pottery when I was in Kentucky. But I have seen it at Craft Outlet. And I believe I saw it at Sims for the wholesale. Okay. So now we're going to come in with a 1.5 with the glittered edge. And we're going to do about a, let's go down an inch. Let's do a 7. We're going to come in. But this time we're going to twist it. And I'm going to bring the loop, the tail towards me. Okay? And we're going to come down about a 1/2 inch to an inch. And I'm going to twist it. Okay. And I'm just going to put it in the middle of these two. Let's get some ribbon out. And that's a 1 because we're doing a 2-1, 2-1. And this one's going to go on this side, opposite. So now we're going to come in with this monstrosity of a row. Whoops, I'm just going to trim this off. Let's see. Let's do this one about a 6. We're going to come down on this side now. This one's going to have 2 loops, but they're going to be a little smaller. We're going to do like a 3-inch, a little over a 3-inch. Come back down, do the same thing, but we're going to pull it out this direction, opposite it. We're going to make it go opposite again. Then our last loop. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to change something up. I'm going to make this loop go this direction. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this one this direction. I like that better. And we're going to cut it off. Let's put this ribbon up. Now we're going to bring in this blue. Okay, I am going to use a pipe cleaner this time. These are one of my favorite bows. You probably see me make them often. I make them spidery and big, and I make them more dense like this one is. This is a great deal to go above a sign, or you could do a combination of 2 more bows on the side of it, or just 2 bows together. So what I like to do is I like to find where my split is. I raise my bow up a little, and what I'm doing is I'm actually putting my thumb right there in the center, and on the side I've got this fingers and these fingers straddling the dowels, and then I bring it up while I'm holding it tight. It leaves a space in this side and it leaves a space on that side, and it's in between my fingers, so all I have to do is wrap the pipe cleaner around, even it up, then I place my thumb on top of that pipe cleaner and I push while I'm pulling this, and then I take my forefinger and my thumb and I go to start the twist, but then I allow the bow to do the twisting, because what that's doing is it's pulling that pipe cleaner even tighter. So even with this one, go ahead and pull your tails to either side. You get that out of the way, and I'm going to lean forward to where you can see. And with the pipe cleaner, better than you can a zip tie is that if your ribbon sort of gets kinked, you can actually go down deep into it and sort of take your fingers and pull it loose, and it comes loose really nice. We'll do this side, pull them out. And then all you've got to do is stick those hands in that bow, fluff it out, either side, just like you did, because your bow is basically fluffed for you. Make those loops stand, no problem. Make them stand loud and proud. You can always come back with it, a piece of material. But on this, you cannot see your pipe cleaner. You cannot see it, okay? What I would do with this one is, which I got this in a little longer, you can still do the slant cut. I would leave the outer sides on your tails a little longer, or I like to put it on my deal. This one's still a little long for me. There we go. Perfect. And I like to sort of make my tails just a little bit shorter than I would the one underneath it. Where's that red one at? And I'm just cutting the V, dovetailing it by folding it together and clipping it from the folded side out. Take these, run your fingers underneath them, curve them up really nice, and they will look like another loop. And it makes that bow stand really tall. Like that right there.